have crazy news. I'm now a YouTuber. Yay! Here's it. Yay! I'm so happy to be a YouTuber. Yay! I'm a YouTuber. By the way, I'm in iPad. That's me. That's me. I'm Garcia Azia Garcia. My account is Garcia Azia Garcia, but that's my display name. But my real one is here. Garcia Azia Garcia 8441. That's me, guys. That's me. View channel. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm literally now a YouTuber. Oh my god. I only have 2 subscribers and 30 videos, but I join in. Join September 11, 2021. Yeah, because my sister, my big 2 sister used that. Well, yeah, this is me when I was a kid. The name is Akit Bay. Well, this is my 2 videos. This is my 2 videos. The Roblox video. It's a Roblox video, guys. Okay. Don't mind the recent one because that's my sister. That's my 2 sisters. Yeah. Well, this is my 2 Roblox video. My other one is called Houster, and the other one is called It's Raining Tacos. Yeah, so I only have 2 subscribers, guys, and I only have 2 subscribers, but at least I have 30 videos. I will upload more. So bye.